Tamiya model kit lovers, today is the day. We're about to enter what might just be the most exciting hobby store in Japan, the official Tamiya plastic model store in Sinbashi. I've been waiting for this moment for years, and we're going to explore everything Tamiya racing cars and military tanks to anime-themed plastic models. This store has it all. In this video, I'll take you on a full store tour, check out the latest releases, and pick up some amazing kits for my next build, from rare model kits to the legendary mini four-wheel. Because we've just entered mini four-wheel drive heaven. This is where dreams come true for fans of four-wheel drive let's and go, and anyone who loves insanely fast mini cars. Wall-to-wall kits of all chassis types, hundreds of upgrade parts organized by function, special edition transparent body kits, professional level tuning equipment. Look at this, they've got everything from beginner sets to tournament level parts. This hyper-tuned motor can apparently hit 50 km/h on the right track. And here it is, the reason why this store is famous worldwide. They have a fully operational mini four-wheel drive track where you can test your builds, folks. The staff here are super helpful. They'll even give you tuning tips if Now let's check out Tamiya's other claim to fame, their incredible RC car collection. They've got the classic Grasshopper and Hornet models, competition-grade touring cars, massive 1/10 scale monster trucks, and all the batteries, radio controllers and spare parts you could ever need.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be
No model kit is complete without the right tools and paints. Tamiya's got their entire paint line, including special metallic and pearl colours, every brush and airbrush accessory imaginable, professional grade nippers and modelling knives, and these amazing weathering effect kits for realistic finishes.
life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
First up, the scale models that made Tamiya famous. They've got everything here. Their iconic 135th military series. Look at this insane King Tiger detail. Classic car lovers will go crazy for these 124th Ferraris and Porsches. And check this out, special Tokyo exclusive kits. You can't get anywhere else. And of course, we can't leave without some souvenirs. They've got limited edition Tamiya logo apparel, mini four-wheel drive character goods, scale model themed stationery. The Tyrrell P34, commonly known as the six-wheeler, is one of the most innovative and iconic Formula One cars in racing history. Designed by Derek Gardner and introduced by the Tyrrell Racing Organisation in 1976, the P34 broke convention with its unique six-wheel configuration, featuring 4 small 10-inch front wheels and 2 standard-sized rear wheels. Key features and design: 6-wheel layout. The P34 used 4 front wheels to increase grip and reduce aerodynamic drag, while maintaining a narrow front profile for better cornering, improved braking and traction. The additional contact patches at the front provided superior braking and traction, especially in wet conditions. Innovative steering system. The two inner front wheels were directly connected to the steering, while the outer wheels followed via a linkage system, Cosworth DFV engine. They also have a coffee shop. This place is absolute paradise for any model kit enthusiast. Whether you're into relaxing scale model building, high-speed mini four-wheel drive racing, or full-on RC car competitions, this store has it all. The staff are incredibly knowledgeable, the selection is unmatched, and that in-store track is worth the visit alone. If you're visiting Tokyo and have even a passing interest in model kits, you need to come here. It's more than just a store. It's a celebration of the hobby we all love. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a mini four-wheel drives to build. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what would you buy at the Tamiya Plastic Model Store? See you next time.